Hello again, and welcome to another Top 10 with Alex. Today, we have a special guest with us. Hello, Francesco.
Hello Alex, it is good to be with you again.
In this video, we are going to make number 8 on our top 10 easy and interesting meals. And with that, I'll turn it over to Francesco.
Thank you Alex, and hello everyone. Are you Simeone OS new to the world of cooking and looking for an easy recipe? Well, I have just the thing for you, one pan pesto chicken and vegetables. This recipe is perfect for anyone who wants to make a delicious meal without too much fuss. And with a little luck, it should look something like this. All you need for this meal is some basic equipment, an oven, a large bowl and a big spoon, a sharp knife, and a frying pan, or casserole dish, or baking sheet, basically anything you can put in the oven. And oven mitts are a good idea. To make this dish, you will need some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, baby potatoes, and asparagus. You will also need some salt, pepper, olive oil, pesto, and lemon juice. Don't worry if you don't have all of these ingredients on hand, you can always substitute or leave some out if needed. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, season your chicken breasts with a little bit of salt and pepper on both sides. Next, chop your baby potatoes in half and trim your asparagus into bite-sized pieces. Toss them in a large bowl with some olive oil and salt until everything is well coated. Put everything in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked and the vegetables are tender. Once it's done, let it cool for a few minutes before serving. And that is it, your one pan pesto chicken and vegetables is ready to enjoy. This dish is easy to make and requires only one pan, so there is less cleanup to worry about. Have a go at it and see how delicious and flavorful it is. Good luck, and happy cooking everyone.
Thank you, Francesco, it looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. A full listing of ingredients and instructions for this recipe is included in the description. Please like and subscribe.